we're going to be late.
Sorry. Oh, it's not a big deal. I'm due at work in a minute anyway. I just wanted to check that you were okay after yesterday.
Why wouldn't I be? Yeah, well, I'm fine. Thanks again.
Well, what else was I going to do?
Yeah. Look, I don't want to be rude, but I've got things to do.
Right, well, I'll see you later, babe.
Hello? It's only me. Hiya. Come in, I'm just clearing up.
Anything I can help you with?
Yeah, right.
I'm not completely useless, you know.
Not completely, I'm sure. Anyway, what's up?
Nothing. Just wanted to check His Royal Highness hadn't shown up.
What, again?
They might have decided to have another go. Look, I still care about you.
Look, you don't need to keep checking up on me. Chaz told me Carl's gone away.
Right, good. Well, I can see you're busy.
Yeah, just a bit. Look, Christmas Day. Why don't you bring Noah over? Him and Sarah can compare presents, if you want.
That'd be really nice, thanks.
In the meantime...
I'll see you soon.